Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to close your business account on Wise. So first of all guys, what I need you to do, if you are using your phones or tablet, you just go ahead and open your application Wise on both of these devices, or else if you are using like PC like mine, you will just go to open any kind of browser and open the page Wise. So just like so, and here you open this page. So here, if you didn't register already, you click on register as a business account if you have a business, and then click on register. Basically here you put your email and then click next, then you put some information about your business account, then your phone number, and then your password. So that's it, or you can just create it using Gmail account or Facebook or Apple accounts. Now let's log in as a business account, and that's how the page must look like. So this is the page of our account, and basically what we are going to do in order to delete our business account is, first of all, let's make sure that our money is out of our account. So let's click on send money, choose the amount that you want to get it out, so the maximum amount that you have on your account, you must get it out. So same currency, for example, and then continue, and then business account. If your country is legal for business accounting, it will be here. So United, let's write United state. Here put your registered business name, and here your company type, and here you put the 9-digit EIN number, and after that you click on continue, and then you will be able to send your money to your account after they review your request. Now let's go back and let's see how we can create, or how we can delete our account, our business account, permanently. So we go to settings, and from settings we go down. So here we have this option which is close your account. This account, or these options, will allow us to delete our business account permanently. So we click here, click on continue, and then they will ask you for the reason. Write the reason, and that's it guys. And after that, after 3 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.